What is up everyone, this is Team S channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can use auto rotate or landscape option in Samsung Galaxy A52s or A52s 5G. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest videos. So to enable or disable auto rotate or landscape mode option in Samsung Galaxy A52s or 5G, simply first of all just tap on settings and then do the same as I'm showing you in this video.